5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so that is the Falseta for Tangos from an album that I released many years ago. This is the first part of that falseta. And so let's go over that. I played that at 144 beats per minute. And now we will break this down. Hopefully you have the music right in front of you. That will make life much easier. So we have this, first of all, capo on 3rd fret. We have that common figure in flamenco that we have our pinky and 3rd finger together on the 3rd fret of the 2nd and 3rd string. We go down, up, quickly on the top 4 strings with our thumb. Then I play the 2nd fret and pull off onto the 4th string. So then I'm going to play the 3rd fret of the 5th string, high E, play the 1st fret of the 5th string. I'm going to play the open 5th string. Now I'm going to hammer on and pull off that 1 back to 0. Okay. Now I'm going to play the B flat, the 1st fret of the 5th string, high E, 3rd fret of the 5th string, high E, and then we're going to kind of start over. Same, play the 2nd fret of the 4th string. We're going to play the C, high E, and then we're going to play B flat to A, high E. I have my A with the add flat 9. I just did that, and now I'm going to continue with my thumb stroke. And then I'm going to go through the top 3 strings. I go up with my thumb, pull off to that natural A here, and then up with my index finger. That's why I said it's going to be much easier if you have the music in front of you. So that's it. The next part, when I close it, it's going to be we just go for the A with the flat 9, thumb index, thumb on the 4th, and then just the top 3 strings. Okay. Now you're going to hear that I have golpes and they're notated. Make sure to circle those if you want to incorporate those. I have other work on golpes if you have questions about that. Okay. So now I'm going to play this at 100 beats per minute. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. The music has all the beats written out for you so you know where everything is. But I'm going to play it even slower for you. 84. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then make sure that you know how to get in and out of that falseta from your tangos compás. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here for you. All that info is in the description below. So have a great day. Enjoy the work.